Hey guys, I have a fun and easy square knot pattern for you today that creates a diamond shape. This pattern would look great if you're creating a more structured piece with rope, such as a geometric piece or a macraweave. Let's get started. For your setup, cut 6 pieces of 6mm rope, each piece is 2 meters in length. Fold each piece in half and attach to your dowel using a lark's head knot. Using the 4 cords in the middle of your work, tie 2 continuous square knots. Skip the first 2 cords on the left and tie 2 continuous square knots with the next 4 cords. Use the 4 cords on the left and tie 2 continuous square knots. Repeat the last 2 sections on the right side of your work. Tie 1 square knot in the middle of your work so that it sits in the middle of the 2 square knots on each side of your work. Skip the first 2 cords on the left and tie 2 continuous square knots with the next 4 cords. Repeat on the right side of your work. Using the 4 cords in the middle of your work, tie 2 continuous square knots. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my supplies so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you!